I gonna do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. New link. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money.
Me not talk to you. Me not talk to you. Fuck off, I'm gonna stop yourself. If one is stepping on your face, bumble wall. Fuck off! Then you have a word if you tell us to stop your mother and your father. Then you go white face far superior bumble class. If one is here on doing. In front of everybody here too. And whosoever want violate me tear off the wall out of it. I see a who has the justice and the truth. And it comes back blood. You believe a Charlie White blood clot coming on your look pan? Or Andrew White whosoever? And Charlie Black. What real Dr. Mecca? Suck yourself. And you want me to terminate the white face in your like yourself while violate me? You want me to terminate the white face in you? Me in trouble none of you. You want me to terminate the white face in this blood clot? You disrespect the emperor.
Emperor.
Me in trouble none of you and disrespect none of you. You believe I show you look on one of boats to the corridor?
Yeah.
Dr. Mecca.
Hear us.
Yo, but what's this guy on?
Me in trouble none of you.
Hear us.
Don't fuck with us fast away like a white beard. None ambition, none quality blood class. Hard to tie up on the bus, can't tell you. Much less the road. Much less what to put on behind. Before we terminate in a bomb cloud now.
Ja, no star. Yo, viewers, subscribers, everybody, big up on yourself. Attack. Well, John Russ, he's a Jamaican. Because he ain't talk, he's a Jamaican. We know some people close country they like Jamaica, but that's definitely a Jamaican people. Zin? But though I see it, I see no other black. Based when me camera and people I see I move, I be a white smarty on the bus there. And like a ras go on the bus, I don't know what go on. But it seem like something alright and them get the ras bringle. Honestly. Them get the ras bringle. And the funny thing, honestly, when we laugh people, is the way the ras are cuss. Zine and him voice. He might have a voice, the boy. We know what him voice, but him voice does so different. You see it? But on a different level. We know how some people stay in some place. When them see a Rasta man come on a bus and maybe a be a them best. You know what I mean, people? Can you know a thing going on? They want to deal with people certain way. And some people are afraid. But when I see a man stand up to them certain way sometime, it's worth it. Maybe honestly it look funny because I'm voice, you understand? And it look funny because we have a cuss and the words them we must say, but on a different level. You can't say man hurt and him say you can't disrespect the emperor. So basically they disrespected him and he feel offended by what they have done. But the person with the camera, they not show you from start what really went down, and but they'll show you that part. That's why sometimes we see some things happen on video and we just come put it out there and just boom like that. But you see me Newlink, me always have to look on the positive side and the negative side. There's always two sides to something. And definitely if they didn't trouble him, because everybody know Rasta, most Rasta is people who like that go there and that bill by themselves and that screw up and serious and just go through. And if they never trouble him, you do behave that way there. You understand? Because honestly, he don't look like a madman to me. He's not a madman. You understand? But he's hurt and him feel it and he might let it go and he no business. He might get so Boy, viewers and subscribers, some parties, it's funny. The voice is really funny, and I found it entertaining, his voice, and you know what I mean? It words them when you cuss and you terminate you, and you want him stepping on your face, boy, and you this you can't violate the emperor and them something there. You know what I mean? So, but for a different level, people must respect people. No matter who you are, no matter what color you have, no matter where you come from, because an idea people, we all are one. You could have black, purple, blue, pink, any color you got. You understand? And remember this, yo. We can't dip on earth every day now. We got all of the houses, all of the money, all of the car. And you saw a man out the same that got nothing up on the street, he must sleep. And when him dead, then we come so boom. Whether them a go burn him or whether them a go bury him, I don't want to hold on this. But the idea, him gone. And I same thing with me. You could have get the highest casket worth much millions. And you get one big grave, all one of them push anybody. So glass, well chrome casket could have gold. But what happened to you them bury if they ain't a bunny like the other man? Eh? Congo worm a go nyam out your backside. Nyam you out and pluck you out. See it and there. We all have to face it. Remember that is the spirit that's inside of us. So an idea, we all are one. And respect your brothers and your sister, no matter what. Remember that. I tell my viewers and my subscribers, respect your brothers and your sister. Respect your neighbor. Respect your friend. Respect everybody. Don't look at yourself and feel like you're better than people. No, it's don't worth it. See, it's not worth it. And you see me in your link, I not act like me better than nobody. That's why people say, you know, when they see me all the road more, they say, yo, new link. Oh, you move, sir. Me say you, me just put on my shorts, people, and my shirt, and go up on it. Me not check. You know what I mean? That's me. I can buy anything I want. I can afford, you know what I mean? But in the end, people, yo, me just not have the hype. If me go on party now here, me go put on my nice thing. You know what I mean? That's different. But honestly, me don't need to hype on people. Me drive a nice car, yes, because that's how I feel comfortable. But me don't have a nice car because I'm more hype. Me have a nice car because it feel like it's my comfort. That's what I feel comfortable and that's what I did want. You understand? But yo, the hypeness is not good. It just done good and it just don't work. You see anybody who see hype out there and like they want to hype on you or something, just leave them alone and let them the time. Time is the master. Just the art. Make sure it's clean. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself, man. Wherever you are, whole Caribbean, big up and stay safe, you know. And respect our brothers and respect our sisters. Them. Respect our neighbors, them in the Caribbean country. You understand? Respect what the country there. And you have one country close to you. No matter how some people come make them look low start and talk this and talk that and say, yeah, what going on? Them are race and this and that. Don't listen to them. Respect them. Same way. So you don't know the thing. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. Yeah, thank you so much. You subscribe? Oh, thanks. Yeah. And the bell thing, touch the bell thing and tap all. Yeah, all. And you're good, you're great. So when you link drop the videos them, you go get them straight away. Okay, you don't know you want to follow the crew now. Attack. And remember, get the new link t-shirt them. Them nice people, them nice, them cheap, them good, them great. Remember, just click the link and get the new link t-shirt them. And if you want them and you're nasty the link new link, make the new link. Gear the link. Because it's one link. We are one link. Follow me on Instagram too. New Link _ production official. Facebook blow up New Link production.